Basics of speed reading that comes from the phonics. Phonics is recommended as a first step and strategy that you can understand from this image. Now we will come to know about.
Hello everyone, those who are watching me, a very warm welcome on my another video. And आज का जो मेरा topic है that is on phonic. What is phonic? Do you know? I will tell you. Phonic is a method. Phonic एक method होता है to correlate the words and their sound, right? And what is phonetic sound? The phonetic sound are the sound which comes from a single particular alphabets that help us for reading and listening, correct? Then what are the phonetic sound that I will show you in this video only. And what is the purpose of learning and listening about this? This will help you to read, to learn, to understand what is written, what someone is saying, to improve our skill. That is why it is said that this is the first recommended step for reading anything. ये एक पहली स्टेप दी गई है जिससे कि आप कोई भी चीज पढ़ सकते हैं और स्किलफुली, ऐसे नहीं कि नॉर्मली, विद प्रॉपर कंसेप्ट्स एंड विद प्रॉपर identification that what this words meaning and what sound this word have. Word is a group of alphabet और alphabets के अपने अपने एक sound होते हैं. Alright, if my name is खुशबू then how it become खुशबू? वो sound कैसे आया words का? That is called the phonetic sound. So let's come with me. I will tell you from the basics what are the basics of phonetic sound and some of their uses also. So come with me that this is a phonetic sound. Listeners, we are moving forward with our phonetic sound. This is a very nice phonetic chart that can help you easily to learn the sounds. Like for example, A, the sound is A. B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A. Again, E, A. F, F, only not F. The sound will be only F. G, G, H, H, I, E. J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, P, Q, R, only not R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z or Z. The few sound I again would like to repeat. That what? E, A, I, E, S, R, Z, Z. This will help you to know about the phonetic sound of alphabets. The next part is how to spell words. Words means group of alphabets. This is a word. What it is written? I can't understand what it is written. So let us think that what is a sound of F. Only F, not F. Only F. A, T, to fat. Alright. What is the sound of H? H. Okay. E, A, N, Han. In this way, you can read all the words very easily. That is why it is recommended that the phonic sound are very much useful for our reading. Try to read this with the phonic sound. This will help you so much. So, dear listeners, I hope you will understand from this video that how we can use phonics, sound, and why we are going to use this sound for reading, because this is the first skillful recommended part for the reading and learning process. So I hope you will like this. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Till the time, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.